Yeah, this is what is happening when I want to turn on my brand new Lenovo laptop, which is AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop. See, BitLocker Recovery, and it is asking me to enter the key for this drive. So where we can get this recovery key? So yeah, it got turned off. I need to press the power button again. Let us just follow the on-screen instructions here. So what I'll do is, how to find your key. Try your Microsoft account at this URL aka.ms/myrecoverykey, and you may ask, if it is not entering me to the startup page, how can I do this? Do one thing, just take your mobile and just open the Chrome and browse through this particular URL and sign in with your Microsoft email account which is logged in this particular laptop. Okay, then you'll get the key and you need to enter the key. So we'll do that process now. So I'll be shifting it to the mobile now. Yeah, see here, now on my mobile I just opened the Chrome and just entering the URL on the aka.ms recovery. So it is asking me to sign in. Yeah, see here, as soon as I signed in, this is the BitLocker recovery key. Now I need to enter in the computer now, in my computer now. So I'll try to just enter this recovery key and let us check what happens after this. Okay. Here, as I entered the recovery code here, what I got by just signing into my email ID, Microsoft email ID on my mobile device, as I shown you the process. Now what I'll do is I'll press enter to continue. So what we'll do is we'll click on press, and as soon as I do that, the Lenovo startup appeared for me. Let us check what happens for the next step. And if anyone are facing this issue and unable to get into your Windows 11 homepage, if this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like, so that it would be helpful for the people who are facing the same issue, and it would help me a lot too. Yeah, let us check. Maybe it is working. As I enter the recovery code, see here, the Windows startup appeared. Just for the security reasons, this BitLocker recovery key startup page appears instead of Windows 11. Yeah, let us check. Yeah, I guess it is working. Yeah, now it is asking me to enter my pin. My pin was entered. Yes, so that's all. It is now working. My laptop is working. So all that you need to do is take another device, maybe secondary laptop or secondary desktop or your mobile, just to enter the URL. Maybe I'll drop that URL in the description. Just enter that URL and see here, let's get you backed up. Now we notice your device isn't backed up. So I'll be clicking on the continue. So yeah, it may take a bit of time as it is setting up or backing up all the files, the previous files which are not backed up. Your backup has been started. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the startup page. It's appeared. And between, if you want review of this laptop, please do find it in the description. I have posted that. And thanks for watching. And this is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 IdeaPad Slim 1 5625U laptop with 16 GB of RAM. Yeah.